Healthy and delicious banana oatmeal. Easiest, most delicious. Ingredients: oats, milk, banana. In a small saucepan, bring milk to a boil. Add oats and stir until get thick consistency. Turn off the flame and take oatmeal in a bowl. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Now add banana slices. Bananas are respectable sources of vitamin C. Manganese in bananas is good for your skin. Potassium in bananas is good for your heart health and blood pressure. Helps in digestion. Okay, now add some additional milk to make it creamy. Milk is the best source for calcium, reduces stress, increased immunity. Okay, now add some honey to make it delicious and for sweet taste. Honey supports good bacteria, raises levels of antioxidants in blood. Chia seeds. These are plant-based proteins, controls blood sugar, increases heart health. Now add cashews, almonds and raisins for a healthy oatmeal. These are rich in antioxidants, high in protein, help you feel full. Some more honey to make it sweet and delicious. This oatmeal helps to lower cholesterol, improves digestion, heart healthy, keeps blood sugar balanced, full of iron, packed with energy, rich source of protein, loaded with magnesium. Finally, add some cinnamon sticks. You can also add cinnamon powder. This oatmeal helps you to lose weight. Very delicious and very healthy oatmeal. Easiest breakfast also.